What's going on, guys? Today is gonna be a quick video. I'll be taking you guys with me today to the park to work out. I've been doing calisthenics lately, so I want to take you guys along with me. Today I'm filming on my phone, so the quality might be a little different. I've been eating healthier now and really just starting to take care of my health, so I figured why not make a video today showing you guys my new workout routine during quarantine, working out at the park doing calisthenics. So let's get started today. I'm trying to do my sets of 5, but I'm so out of shape I can barely do 5 pull-ups. Well, guys, that's my workout for today. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.